Television and Bollywood actress Moni Roy is once again making headlines, this time because of her personal life. After recently confirming her separation from husband and businessman Suraj Nambiar, the actress has now grabbed attention with her latest public appearance at Mumbai airport.
I'm very late, sorry.
The news of Moni and Suraj's split had already created a huge buzz on social media. Fans first started speculating about trouble in their marriage after noticing changes in the couple's online activity. Many followers pointed out that Moni and Suraj had reportedly unfollowed each other on Instagram, which immediately sparked rumors about problems in their relationship. Now, just days after officially confirming their separation, Moni was spotted in public for the first time. Paparazzi waiting at Mumbai airport quickly surrounded the actress and requested her to pose for pictures. However, Moni seemed in a hurry and avoided stopping for photos.
I'm very late, sorry.
According to videos going viral online, Moni also appeared to break the queue while entering the airport, which immediately caught the attention of social media users. Many people online reacted to the moment, while others defended the actress, saying she was probably in a rush to catch her flight. Her behavior instantly became a talking point online, with fans discussing her mood and body language in viral clips shared across social media platforms. For her airport look, Moni kept things stylish yet simple in an all-black outfit. She left her hair open in loose curls and completed the look with oversized black sunglasses. The actress was also seen carrying a book in her hand while making her way through the airport. Earlier, on 14th May, Moni and Suraj officially confirmed their separation through a joint statement shared online. In the post, the former couple mentioned that they are focusing on navigating this phase privately and amicably, while also saying that the friendship they shared will always remain special to them. Interestingly, after reports of them unfollowing each other went viral, fans recently noticed another surprising update. Moni and Suraj have now followed each other back on Instagram, leaving many people confused about the current status of their relationship. Moni Roy and Suraj Nambiar got married on 27 January 2022 in a beautiful destination wedding held in Goa. Their wedding ceremony took place at the Hilton Goa Resort in Kandoli and included both Malayali and Bengali traditions, making it a grand and memorable celebration. While fans continue to speculate about what really happened between the couple, both Moni and Suraj seem focused on handling the situation privately. For now, the actress' airport appearance and her reaction to the paparazzi have only added more curiosity around her personal life.
I'm very late, sorry.
Focus பண்ணிக்கோங்க. I started hurting myself. என் குழந்தைங்களை என்ன பார்க்க விடல. I started hurting myself. தான் இந்த கை பார்த்துக்கோங்க நார்மலாக.
Aarti Ravi, Ravi Mohan, and Kenisha Francis are once again making headlines, and this controversy is getting more intense day by day. Now, Aarti Ravi's latest Instagram story has grabbed everyone's attention and sparked fresh discussions online. Over the past few weeks, social media has been flooded with emotional statements, public reactions, and strong opinions surrounding Ravi Mohan and Kenisha Francis.
Black magic. I started hurting myself.
And now, Aarti's powerful words have added another dramatic twist to the story. In her viral Instagram story, Aarti Ravi wrote, "You never wake a sleeping lion. God help if she's a mama lion." She further added, "My dignified silence should never be mistaken for weakness or taken undue advantage of. If needed, to protect my children and my dignity, I will step out of my comfort zone and face the world with the truth. Because truth always prevails." These strong words quickly went viral online. Many social media users felt that Aarti was indirectly responding to the recent emotional statements made by Ravi Mohan and Kenisha Francis. Several fans also praised her for maintaining silence for so long despite the ongoing public discussions about her personal life. Before Aarti's post, Ravi Mohan had emotionally addressed the media during a press interaction.
Black magic. I started hurting myself.
Speaking about the controversy and his ongoing divorce case, he said, Sadhu Mirandhal Kadu Kolladhu, warning people not to mistake his silence for weakness. Ravi Mohan also revealed that he would not act in films until the divorce issue is resolved. During the interaction, he strongly reacted to the trolling faced by Kenisha Francis and criticized online bullying. He emotionally shared that he has always worked hard for his family and expressed pain over not being allowed to meet his children. His emotional statements divided social media users, with many taking different sides in the controversy. Meanwhile, Kenisha Francis also made headlines after announcing that she is leaving Chennai and stepping away from social media, music, and therapy work. In her emotional note, she said she entered Ravi Mohan's life only to support him emotionally during difficult times. Kenisha also wrote, "He is now all yours," indirectly hinting at distancing herself from Ravi Mohan. Now, with Kenisha stepping away, Ravi Mohan's emotional press meet, and Aarti Ravi finally breaking her silence, this controversy has become one of the most talked about celebrity topics online. And fans are now waiting to see what happens next in this emotional and dramatic saga. Karuppu, starring Surya and directed by RJ Balaji, has finally released, and the film is already creating massive buzz online. But interestingly, it's not just the story or performances grabbing attention. Fans are now convinced that the film secretly references Leo starring Vijay. Soon after the release, social media exploded with reactions after viewers spotted what many are calling a direct callback to Leo's famous coffee shop scene. In one scene from Karuppu, a guest walks into a coffee shop and asks for coffee. A server replies, "I'll get you a special Leo coffee. One strong Leo coffee, Anna." That one dialogue instantly sent theaters into celebration mode. Fans quickly noticed that actors Jani Kunseelan and Sandy, who were also part of the iconic coffee shop scene in Leo, appear in this sequence too. Things became even more interesting when a man is shown preparing the coffee. His face is never revealed on screen and only his back is visible. But that was enough for fans to begin wild speculation online that the mystery cameo could actually be Vijay himself. The moment immediately went viral online, with fans calling it the perfect Leo tribute. One user wrote, "That Leo coffee scene in Karuppu gave me goosebumps. Was that actually Vijay?" Another fan posted, "RJ Balaji knew exactly what he was doing with that one strong Leo coffee, Anna dialogue." A comment also read, "The theatre literally erupted during the Leo callback. Smartest cameo tease ever." Another fan wrote, "If that was Vijay making coffee, Tamil cinema just witnessed the wildest surprise moment." Some fans are now even wondering whether Karuppu and Leo exist in the same cinematic universe. The references have sparked huge discussions online, especially because of Vijay's recent headlines involving Trisha, who stars in Karuppu. Interestingly, Vijay had also reportedly granted special permission for early morning shows for Karuppu. However, several screenings were cancelled because of financial issues involving the producers and financiers. This created confusion among fans who were unable to book morning tickets despite the special permission announcement. Director RJ Balaji later addressed fans on X and wrote, "Dearest fans, I don't have a concrete answer to the current situation. producers are doing their best to solve the hurdles. This film has always had hurdles, and somehow God has made us sail through all that, and here we are after 32 months. This time as well, I have faith, complete faith in him. Despite all the release troubles, Karuppu has reportedly earned 7.2 crore rupees in advance bookings for day one and is already one of the most talked about Tamil films online right now. Salman Khan is once again trending on social media, but this time, it's not just because of his fitness transformation. The Bollywood superstar recently shared a shirtless photo on Instagram that instantly grabbed everyone's attention. At the age of 60, Salman continues to inspire fans with his fit body, toned abs, and disciplined lifestyle. But along with the viral picture, it was his emotional caption that truly got people talking online. In the photo, Salman can be seen relaxing on a sofa while confidently flaunting his sculpted abs. Fans were quick to praise his dedication to fitness and the hard work he continues to put into maintaining his physique over the years. However, the real surprise came with the caption he posted alongside the image. He wrote, "By I me myself, 2 ways to be by yourself, alone and lonely. Alone is by choice and lonely when nobody wants to be with you. Ab iske aage you figure out what you need to do." Soon after the post went live, social media was flooded with reactions. Many fans admired Salman's honesty and emotional side, while others started wondering if there was a deeper meaning hidden behind his words. One fan commented, "Bhai never posts something this deep and cryptic without a massive hidden meaning. Lonely when nobody wants to be with you. Is this a direct shot at someone specific in the industry who just backed out? Something huge is happening behind the scenes that the public doesn't know about yet." This caption is a major warning sign. Another admirer shared an emotional reaction saying, "Bhai, reading this caption makes it feel like you have a very deep and intense side that doesn't show on screens these days." Trolls will do their job and talk, but as a fan, just one request: we want to see this real, raw Salman on screen again. Pick a strong, content-driven script where your natural acting comes through, not just star power. Swag has its place, but no one can match the original Bhai's acting. Need that era back. Apart from the emotional discussions, fans also celebrated Salman's consistency and fitness journey. Even after decades in the industry, he continues to motivate millions with his workout routines and healthy lifestyle. Whether the caption had a hidden meaning or not, one thing is certain: Salman Khan knows exactly how to keep fans talking. And once again, the superstar has proven why he remains one of Bollywood's biggest icons.